Welcome to the Life Thoughts Camera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Color Show Acetone Nail Polish Remover by Maybelline and tell you exactly how it worked out for me. I have personally tried this nail polish remover for over a month. You can see my older videos in which I featured this nail polish remover. Please click the eye icon on the top right side corner to view the video. As this video progresses, there will be more such pop-ups like this. Do check them out for more information. About the brand. Maybelline is a cosmetics industry brand that started in the year 1914. The creator, Williams, noticed his older sister Mabel applying a mixture of Vaseline and coal dust to her eyelashes to give them a darker and fuller look. He set out to create a mascara called Cake Mascara and named the company Maybelline in her honor. It is an American brand that sells worldwide. The link to their official website page is mentioned in the description box below. Where did I buy it from? I bought this nail polish remover from the online store called Nykaa. It is a third-party website and they ship all over India. Check the description box for the shopping link. Don't forget to check out all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must-watch for beginners. Product packaging. The nail polish remover comes in a clear glass bottle that has a twist cap on the top. Cost and lifespan of the product. The nail polish remover costs 100 rupees for a 30 ml and its lifespan is 36 months from the date of manufacturing. Claims of the product. Nothing specific was mentioned on the packaging. The ingredients. Ingredients are not mentioned on the packaging. Check out this playlist of mine. It is a collection of all the nail polish removers I have reviewed and will be reviewing in the future. How many sizes are available? I have only seen these in 10 ml on the Nykaa website. How to store this product? It is best to keep it away from direct sunlight. Personally, I store mine inside our cupboard. How I use the acetone nail polish remover. I've done a detailed video on how I use acetone nail polish remover to remove glitter nail polish like a pro at home. Please click the eye icon on the top right side corner to view the video. My experience with the product. I want to start by saying that I use this kind of acetone nail polish remover only to remove glitter nail polishes. Is this cosmetic a safe beauty? Since I'm not certified nor an expert, I rely on sources that provide me with answers. So I first hop over to EWG website and check if this product has been tested by them. Since it is not mentioned on the EWG database, I have to do a manual check. As you can see, a list of ingredients is not mentioned anywhere on the packaging. This is not a good thing. Now I don't feel comfortable using this as I don't know what is in it. Packaging. I really love the packaging, especially the shape and size of the bottle. It is really tiny and it is cute. Even though it is a glass bottle, it doesn't feel quite heavy. It is just perfect. The base is wide so the bottle doesn't tumble every time I reach for the bottle during application. And it's not too tall so it won't take up much space in my shelf. And it has been totally leakage proof. How does it dispense? It is a basic twist cap which has a plastic stopper with a small hole that is already punctured. A nice amount of the product comes out with just one dab. It's easy to use and prevents product wastage. The fragrance of the cosmetic. Before I start this point, I just want to mention that I have fragrance allergy. I've not done a patch test yet, but I do keep getting affected when I come across something with fragrance. This nail polish remover has a floral scent in it, but with a hint of alcohol. It does not linger for too long after application. And also I'm not completely okay with this fragrance, mainly due to its floral scent. It is a bit strong for me. Consistency. It has a watery consistency and it feels non-sticky and light on the nails. Pigmentation. The remover has a light blue color. It is some sort of color dye. I would have preferred it to be dye-free, travel-friendly. It is very travel friendly as it is small in size and the bottle is also not fragile nor has it leaked. Checking the claims by this brand. Since nothing was mentioned on the packaging, I have nothing to cross-check. Pros and cons. It is wallet friendly, it is travel friendly, it comes in a sturdy glass bottle. Almost 3 years from the date of manufacturing. No logo is printed on the packaging. It is easily available for me. EWG has not reviewed this product and also the ingredients are not mentioned on the packaging. It's not fragrance free and the smell lingers for a few hours. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. My rating. Ease of usage, I'm going to give it a 4. Storage and maintenance also gets a 4. Travel friendly, again a 4. Value for money, again it's a 4. The overall rating I'm going to give it is a 1.5. I feel bad for giving a product that performs well a 1.5. But what is the point if I don't know if it is a safe beauty product or not? I just don't feel comfortable using such products on myself or even recommending such products to anyone. Will I buy this product again? Until I find something with much better rating, I will be using this nail polish remover. I will mainly use this to remove the glitter based nail polish. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!